My name is Knore. I'm product specialist for our application for AGCO. Today we're going to have a feature of the day on the smart drive system, which is an all-wheel drive system on this C-Series RoGator. So this smart drive system is compiles of traction control. We have ABS braking, turn compensation, shuttle shift, we have speed control, and engine throttle management. So with this today, we're going to start with traction control. Traction control is used on a lot of machines today, but this traction control we have on this RoGator can almost instantaneously control our wheels to keep from slipping and allow the maximum power to go to other wheels. So let's take this as an example. So we're in soft soil. We start pulling down on the hydro, and we say front wheel starts breaking loose. As soon as it makes about a revolution, the computer will see that speed control is over speeding compared to the other three wheels. It will slow that oil flow down to there and redirect it to the other three to allow the machine to go through that soil condition. Same thing, maybe just rough terrain, going through ditches and stuff where you could get slippage, it could also come into effect. The other thing is ABS braking. So before, we've always had our hand on a hydro handle. We pulled back for braking. We had a parking brake just for kind of an emergency situation. This is allowing us, as we pull back on there, ABS is taking into play because we have the speed sensors in there. It will not allow any wheel to go to a lockup situation. So if you pull even all the way back, when we get to that point, or even applying the brake at the same point, no wheel will actually go to a lockup, so the operator has full control at any one time. Another thing that we have is turn compensation. Turn compensation is used in the field. So every time we go around the headland and we start making the passes, so we got constant 180-degree turns at each end of the field. If a field has been planted, we don't want to disturb those plant seeds, right? So with turn compensation, our inside wheels slow up, our outside wheels actually increase in speed. The last thing, a few things, we're going to go over to the screen and the shuttle, and we're actually going to do the shuttle shift. So we got our hand on the handle, we have a button on the back. If we squeeze the button and go to the left and let go, that is a shuttle. So we can either, if we was going in a forward motion, it would actually slow down, go to hit neutral and then go to reverse. If we was backing up and did this motion, it would actually stop and then go to a forward motion. With that, we can change our shuttle speeds in our terminal. So for reverse speed right now is 4 miles per hour. I'm going to take it to say 2 miles per hour. And then forward shuttle is 5, but we'll change it to 4. So right now, if I'm moving forward, you will be moving forward, letting go of the handle here. We would squeeze the button, rock it. We would slow down to 0 miles per hour and then start backing up at 2 miles per hour. Once you are backing up, we could squeeze the button again, shuttle again. It would stop, hit neutral, and then start taking off at 4 miles per hour. That's how the shuttle works for us. Another thing that we have is speed control. So we have a speed number 1 and a speed number 2. These are controlled on the joystick itself. One is at the top, 2 is at the bottom. So let's just say the operator wants to spray liquid fertilizer at 15 miles per hour and then turn on the end row at say 6 miles per hour. So now, as he's traveling along, he can hit the top of the button, will go right to 15 miles per hour. When he gets to the end of the field, he can hit the bottom side of the button and we would slow down to 6 miles an hour. He would make the turn, hit the button again, right back to 15 miles an hour. This keeps really nice consistent pump pressure and nozzle pressure on a liquid machine. So we're not seeing an influx of rate control. So these are the key features of the smart drive system. Thank you for joining us today for our feature of the day.